Let's start this. Show me the storm. People in the shop saying we had weather like this. This is crazy. Not in my time frame. See, I'm climbing over this just to get out the house. Feel sorry for those people that's trying to plow this stuff. It ain't gonna work. The cars, car 1, car 2, car 3. You know, car 4 don't look so bad. Still decent. Let's take a walk around. Just look at the driveway just to get out of here. Yeah, right. Serious. Show you, I'm about to step over it. Look at that. White for days, nothing but snow. Can't even see nothing. Feel sorry for him. He might as well stop right now. We got some people walking. It's gonna take brother a long time for where he going. Look around. Go to the backyard. See how that looks. I gotta make my mission through the snow again. Part-time job itself. Like a barricade. And also, this is February 2nd, 2011. The day the city shut down. Actually, the state. About to get up here. Damn. I can basically sled back here. Let's go on the porch. Wow. Just wow. Wipe this camera off, it's getting kind of snowed. Something make me want to jump into it, but nah. Probably won't get up. Too old for that. And my job thought I was coming in. Yeah, right. Craziness. Look where the snow at. It's basically almost taller than me. Oh, sorry about that. But that's the end of that. I'm about to take my ass back in the crib. Well then, I hope everybody's safe out there. Y'all take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye.